If you are looking for an entry-level laptop for school or college assignments, along with some productivity and entertainment on the go, then say hello to the Dell Inspiron 15. The black lid has a Dell logo in the center. Lift the lid and you are greeted with a 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit display. The Dell Inspiron 15 has a chiclet-style keyboard along with a full number pad. The layout of the keyboard is comfortable for those looking to type a lot. The power button rests on the top right above the keyboard. The keyboard and trackpad are surrounded by a textured finish. Below the keyboard, we have the trackpad. You do not have a physical left and right click as they are integrated into the trackpad to give it a seamless look. The left and right clicks are distinguished with a simple line on the trackpad. Moving to the connectivity options, on the left, the laptop has the power socket, Ethernet port, HDMI out and 2 USB ports. On the right, we have the Kensington lock, DVD drive, 1 USB port, headphones mic combo jack and an SD card slot. Speaking of audio, the speakers are integrated on the front edge of the laptop. You have 2 speakers for a stereo audio experience. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet, which gives the machine grip when kept on a table. This ensures that the laptop remains firmly stable during those long typing sessions. The laptop also sports an HD webcam and Bluetooth connectivity options along with Wi-Fi. The laptop houses a 4-cell battery that can last long enough to get through some work or movies before resorting to the charger. When it comes to the specifications, the Dell Inspiron 15 3000 has an Intel Core i3 6th generation CPU coupled with 4GB of RAM, expandable up to 16GB and a 1TB hard drive. The 1TB hard drive is enough to store your work or college projects and your movies and music library. For your productivity needs, the laptop comes pre-installed with Microsoft Office. You can now go and make your spreadsheets and presentations without any worries. The resolution of the 15.6-inch display is 1920 by 1080, which is enough to work on spreadsheets, projects, and watch videos. With a full HD resolution, you will be able to enjoy movies the same way you would on a full HD TV. The specifications of the laptop ensure that you can run a few apps in multitasking. You can also browse numerous tabs on Chrome with ease. You can also enjoy your movie library on this laptop. The Intel integrated HD 520 graphics will ensure smooth functioning of productivity apps. However, this laptop is not for those looking to run heavy games like Doom, GTA, Metro and more. This was a quick overview of all the features on offer on the Dell Inspiron 15 laptop.